When you're looking for a job, it's important to think carefully about what kind of salary you'll need to support your financial needs. Are you looking for an advanced position or an entry-level job? As you research salary information, be sure to think about all the variables involved in a salary estimate. You might find that the average salary for a job you want is $40,000 per year. But keep in mind, if you're just starting out in a new career field, the starting salary may be much less. There's more to salary than just your paycheck. Along with basic salary information, you'll also need to consider benefits such as health insurance, retirement, and vacation time. Sometimes it's worth it to consider a job offer that pays less but has good employee benefits. For example, a longer commute to a new job might cost you extra gas money, but receiving health insurance could save you more money in the long run. Each job will come with its own set of costs and benefits. Once you've done some salary research in a given field, you can begin assessing your market value. Your market value is determined by your experience, education, skills, and other assets you can bring to an employer. Knowing your market value will give you a more accurate estimate of what you can expect to earn in a given job. For example, a person with a greater than average experience level may expect higher than average pay, while a person with less experience should look into what the entry-level pay is for the job they want. It may seem daunting at first, but when you take the time to research salary information and assess your market value, you put yourself in a better position to earn the salary you deserve.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.